Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you receive this lecture in the best of health and spirit. As you know, students, that government has closed schools for few days because of this pandemic corona. That's why students must stay home and study online. Alright, students, let's start our English lesson of prep class. First of all, we will revise or recall our phonic practice. I will tell you how to read and write capital and small letters. There is already written A and A. I will tell you again. A, you have to write like this, and small a, yes, like this. B, capital B, and small b. Okay, and the next word is C. C, kh. A, B, B, C, kh. D, first straight line and then like this. Okay, D, D, yes. You should not write like this. This is wrong. You have to write like this. Okay, in the next row, I will tell you how to write E, straight line, then 3 sleeping lines, E, small half circle, and then like this, E, F. Your pencil should be very sharp, lead. Yes, F, for G, you have to write like this. Okay, G. Now small circle in 2 lines and then touch the 4th line. G, G. H, straight line and then sleeping line. H, H. Okay. In the next row, I, straight line and then sleeping lines, very small, tiny. I, small I, J, yes, small j, K, J, J, sounds should be like this, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M. I think it's not very good, that's why I erase it. I will erase it and yes. Now you have to write in 2 lines, small m, N, N. You have already learned these things in your previous class, but in first page we will practice all these alphabet: M, M, N, N, O, O. This is not looking nice. O. It should be in 3 lines. Capital O, and the sound is O. P, P, Q, circle, and small q. In 2 lines you have to write circle, and then it should be finish. Yes, Q, R, here. Yes, R, S, T, straight line and skipping line, small t, T, U, A, V, V. Sound of V is V. V, and after this we will write W. W, and the sound is W. Sometimes the sound of the V is like W, but the difference between the sound of V and W is the sound of the V is thin. V, and W sound is W. Okay, it's a little bit thick. You can say W. Your lips goes round. V, W, X. The sound of X is sometime X, sometime Z. Y, Y, Y. Z, Z. Okay, students, I think you have understood how to read and write all alphabet. Okay, students, thanks. I will meet you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.